Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's your boy Chao the chef, and today I'm quite happy because I'll be showing you how to prepare pineapple ginger juice, which is healthy juice. So you wanna stick around. I will be using the following ingredient: ginger, lemon, and pineapples. So first thing first, we are going to wash the pineapple because I will be boiling the peels. Yeah. So you give the pineapple a clean bath. Pineapple. Guys. Going to cut it into half like this so that we remove a particular, you see this part, they gotta come out. And the pineapple peels into a pan like that, and water until fully covered. This is chopped ginger and chopped turmeric and sugar, and bring it into a boil. You can see everything is boiling up. So let's go ahead and chop the pineapple into small pieces which can fit into the breading jar, like these ones. Set aside. Then let's prepare the ginger. You peel the skin like that. Reduce it into small pieces. So after boiling the peels, we are going to strain. So these are the peels, and this is the juice that you have extracted into the breading jar, and the chopped pineapple like that, and the chopped ginger. Squeeze one lemon. And the juice that we extracted from the peels. Let's blend. Strain the pineapple juice. See the amount of fiber. which we have strained, and there we have it, guys. So you can see it has formed a foam on the top. So I'm going to use this spoon and try it. You can already see the pineapple juice. So from there I'm going to serve and sample. So from there, guys, let's serve. You can serve right away, or you can put it in a fridge and wait it for it to cool down, or even if you have ice cubes, you can drop some in the glass. But I don't have ice cubes, so let's go ahead. And there we go. That is our pineapple juice. How do you see it, guys? Amazing. So guys, after serving, the only thing left is to sample. So me, I don't like using the straw, so I'm going to go in just like that. Perfect. So guys, I've taken you through this recipe and I'm sure you've learned a thing or two. So till next time, bye bye, see you in the next one.